By now you know that I love flying my drone. I started my journey back in 2017 when I got the DJI Spark. I was able to fly this tiny yet powerful drone in Iceland, where I was able to capture my first cinematic shots. Fast forward to 2021, I upgraded to the mighty DJI Air 2S. I consider myself as an experienced pilot with over 200 successful flights and only one crash. Well, a really bad one.
¿Es en serio?
Sí, ay, no.
Is this for real?
Yes, okay, man. Even though I cried and I was really afraid of crashing again, I didn't stop flying. When I fly my drone, I feel this passion and happiness that takes the fear away. And I'm always reminded that I can see the world from a total different perspective. And that right there makes flying totally worth it. So last year when I saw that DJI released the Avara, I immediately knew this was the FPV entry-level drone that I needed. But before getting this drone, there was an extremely important thing that I had to do: convincing my CFO and beautiful wife why I needed another drone. So after a long conversation and an agreement that I would make her coffee every morning for the entire year for my 34th birthday, I finally got the Avara. Alright guys, it's time to finally open and set up the DJI Avara drone. Again, thanks to my wife for actually sponsoring this video. We have the remote controller, which is gonna allow us to flight manual mode, remote control. Then we have the DJI goggles 2. This is the newest version. Yep. And then we have the actual drone itself. Boom. Before flying this outdoor or anything, I need to practice in the simulator. And we're gonna get our first practice today. So let's go. Alright, we're back. I had to take a little break because getting the goggles to like focus was insane. I'm ready to go to the simulator and do our first flight. So let's go. Woo! Challenge complete. Whoa. Oh shit. Whoa, okay. Oh my god, that. Ooh, okay. I can't move my head. Oh my god. Fuck. Whoa. This is fucking bullshit. My god. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh my god. What are you doing, dude? The part I don't get, how do I go straight? What the hell is going on? I crashed the drone. It's done. I'm done for the day. Ooh, more difficult than I expected. In 33 days, I'm going to Puerto Rico. My goal is to learn FPV and put my practice to the test in my home country. So, let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so I've been flying the drone now on the simulator for 1 week, but it's time to fly it in real life. I want to see how it compares to the actual real life drone, so let's get going and see how that goes. Okay, I found the location, wide open field, so this is exactly what I wanted. I hope nothing happens. Let's do this. So yes, I crashed. The drone is fine, there's a few scratches on the bottom, there's a scratch on the battery as well, but it still flies normally, so no big deal. I didn't fly for about 2 weeks. I think I was just scared of crashing again. But then I realized that that is part of the FPV journey, like that is normal. Crashing is normal, and I'm ready to take off again. I'm in Puerto Rico already, so I'm gonna be practicing today a lot around my neighborhood, because tomorrow I'm gonna go visit one of the most beautiful places in Puerto Rico, and I wanna make sure that I capture the shot that I've been dreaming since I got this FPV drone. So let's go. Today, I'm meeting with my longtime neighbor and friend, Mikey. You may recognize him from videos like the Banana Slim or Giant Mountain Bike Racing Team, and he's gonna be the one helping me in today's practice session. Yes! Whew. I think I'm ready for tomorrow. Let's go! So after a beautiful morning, a few refreshments, swimming with a stingray, and some food, finally it was time to fly. Alright guys, what a journey. Honestly, learning FPV has been one of the coolest things that I've done. Looking back at the first day on the simulator and the crashing and the frustration to what I was able to do a month later has been a really rewarding experience. And on top of that, the fact that I was able to plan and get my friends from Puerto Rico involved in the project has made it totally worth it. But I'm still a beginner. I still need to learn a lot. I need to build my confidence level up. I need to fly more aggressively, hence the creation of more epic videos. And if you don't want to miss any of those, don't forget to click and subscribe below and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and like always, I'll see you on the next one.
De la acabas de grabarlo, cabrón. Lo voy a contar lo que le digo. Lo único que le pediste, cabrón. Lo único que le pediste.